So now let's take a look at what we will be expecting for today on our GBP USD. So first and first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBP USD will be giving us for the day. Now let's start with our trend on GBP USD. You can see our overall trend on USD is an uptrend. So we have the main trend, we have the current trend. So this is our main trend. Market is what? Clearly trending to the side, right? But when you take a look at our market, the market is literally trending to the downside right here, right? Then eventually market was able to come to tap the support level, giving us a multiple rejection. So there was a rejection at this zone right here. There was also a rejection at this zone right, and this is also a rejection zone. So this is one of the reasons why markets literally push up to break the neckline. Now it has given us a pullback. So let's see if markets will be able to give us some more push up again, thereby giving us a bullish move for the day. But when you go to your forward time frame, so markets, you will see that markets are just giving us a double top. You all know what a double top is. It means a universal movement. So let's say it drop a bit, then it will eventually push up. So it depends on how markets will do or how markets will play out. Or what we will just be looking at for on GBPUSD is a buy setup. Remember, we would only be looking for a buy setup. We should only take the buy once we get to the buy setup. If we do not find the buy, let's start on the trade. But once we find the buy, go ahead and take it because a bullish move is what we're expecting on. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe in order for